I like to use a combination. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll build a bit of wood around the exterior, start a charcoal fire in the center, and then those bits of wood will just kind of slowly burn on the outside. You get a bit of smoke. They'll still turn to coal and embers, but you don't want too much raging wood fire because you might get carbon on the products that you're cooking. It'll taste a bit rough. When I'm doing that, again, you could use kindling and paper to start it up, but the most efficient way is to use a charcoal fire starter. I think they're really awesome. To do that, I've got some solid charcoal in the bottom. I've got some leftover charcoal from the last grill that I did, but you can also just use the broken end bits of charcoal. Basically, you want the bits that are less dense. The sides are very hard and dense. The ends are a little bit less so. So the fire starter will take on a bit quicker. Once I've got a nice little sort of core of heat going, I'll put some more charcoal on top and then keep an eye on it, and that'll catch on really nicely. But I'll show you how this one works, and you see it takes off very quickly. So these ones I definitely recommend. You can see it catches very quickly. Obviously that's not hot enough to start cooking on or anything straight away, but you've got a good bit of heat going straight away. Start to build a few pieces on top if you want. If you're in a bit of a rush, they'll start catching. As you can see, it's a really fast, effective way to get a fire going.